Hello students, this is Sure Success Classes. In this session, we are going to solve word problems related to linear equation. When we come across such type of questions, at that time, first we will read the question carefully and then we will decide what is to be done with that question. Remember, such type of questions are solved in stepwise manner because each and every step will have certain marks. If we miss any of these steps, then our entire answer will go in other direction and which will result in wastage of marks, wastage of time, and the most important, it may lose your confidence to solve other questions of question paper. So without wasting time, let's start our session. I will try to explain how we can solve word problems with this example. Here the example given is a number increased by 13 is equal to 31. Means when we read this question at that time, we come to know here we have to find out that number, and which we have to find out, we will assume it by English alphabet. Here we will assume that number, let number be x. Then we will read this statement. The number increased by 13. Increased means here we have to perform which operation with this x? Yes, we will go with addition, x plus 13. And this whatever we have got here is equal to 31. Means we will put equal to sign and write here 31. Here we have got this linear equation and it is very easy to solve this. We will put, when we put this 13 plus 13 to right hand side, at that time the symbol of addition will change into minus. 31 minus 13. When there is addition sign, it will change into minus sign or vice versa. So here we will get our answer as 18. And if we cross verify this with this statement, 18 plus 13, we will get 31. Means in this entire solution, we first assume that number as a x and then we will put it with given condition and we will get our answer. Next question is, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Means in this question, the unknown quantity is nothing but that number. So we will assume that number as a x. Let the number be x. We will go with first statement. Thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Means from x she subtracted 5 by 2. She multiplies the result, means this is our result, by 8. When she multiplied this result by 8, the result now obtained, means this is our latest result, is 3 times the same number. Means it is equal to same number how many times? 3 times. So here we have got our equation. We will solve it. 8 into x, 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Here 2 4s are 8. 8x minus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 3x. When we shift this plus 3x to left hand side, it will come with minus 3x, and this 20 become plus 20. So 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 by 5. It is nothing but 5 4s are 20. Means that number is 4. That number is 4. Let's move to next question. First we will read out the question carefully. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Means here we have to find out both the numbers. First, a positive number is 5 times another number. Here we will assume one number as a x. Let first number be x. Then second number will be 5 times x is equal to 5 times 5 into x. No need to write down multiplication sign. 5x. This is the second number. Then we will go with next statement. If 21 is added to both the numbers, here 21 is added. We will add 21 in both the numbers, x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Our first number now will be x plus 21 and second number will be 5x plus 21. Then one of the new number, these are our two new numbers, become twice the other new number. Means if we take this 5x plus 20 is equal to twice. If we think these numbers, then this is smallest number and this will be greater number. So it will be twice of this number, x plus 21. Here we have got equation. We will solve it. 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 into x, 2x, plus we will write as it is 2 into 21. It will become 42. Then we will shift this 2x to this side. It will become minus 2x, and this 20 plus 21 will become minus 21. 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21. Here again there is no sign, means there is multiplication. We will write its multiplicative inverse, that is divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So x is equal to 7, means our first number is 7. We will find out second number. First number is 7. Second number is equal to, it is 5 times the first number. So 5 into 7, we will get 35. Means the numbers are 7 and 35. Let's move to next question. The next question is, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Means in this question, when we read out this question, we have to find out that 2-digit number, and the given in this given information is sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. We know 2-digit number means it is having ones place and tens place. Suppose ones place digit is x, then sum of these 2 digits, tens place and ones place digit, is given that it is 9. From this we can write this unknown digit as, or tens place digit is equal to 9 minus x. Got it? Tens place digit is equal to 9 minus x. With this information we can form our original number. So we will write here, let the ones place digit be x, then tens place digit will be 9 minus x, and with this information we can form our original number. It will be we know when tens place digit, at that time we will multiply that digit by 10, 9 minus x, and we will add ones place digit as it is, that is x. So it will be 90 minus 10x plus x. It is equal to 90 minus 10x and plus 1x means minus 9x. We will subtract and we will put the greater numbers symbol here. So our original number is 90 minus 9x. Then here next statement is, when we interchange the digits, means here we have to interchange these digits, so we will get new number. So our new number will be, this x will come at tens place 10x, and 9 minus x will go to ones place, 10x plus 9, and plus into minus, it will become minus x. Here 10x minus 1x is equal to 9x plus 9. This is the new number. Here next statement gives us, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. New number, it is 9x plus 9. It is greater than original number. Original number is 90 minus 9x. And by how much it is greater? By 27. We will add this 27 to this number. Here we have got equation, so we will solve it. 90 plus 27 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9. Then this is 117. We will put this minus 9x to this side. It will become plus 9x. 117. This will become minus 9. This 9x and this 9x will become 18x. So 108 is equal to 18x. We can write this as 18x is equal to 108. This 18 is multiplied with this x. So when it changes that side, it will go with division. 18 1s are 18, 18 6 are 108. X is equal to 6. Is this our answer? Not yet, because here we have to find out that 2-digit number. This is 1's place digit, so we will find the 10's place digit. 10's place digit is equal to 9 minus x is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Means that number should be 10's place digit is 3 and 1's place digit is 6. So 2-digit number is 36.